Good morning, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. We're here with the Nifty's chart. So, I'm about to prepare Nifty's long-term view chart, but as of now, today, this video is regarding what will be there for this week mostly, and the other aspects of Nifty because I am trying to make it as comprehensive and as detailed as I can. So it'll take a day or so because I'm collecting few things and I have created one indicator for all of you. So because of the coding part and all, it's taking time. So coming back to the point, this is Nifty 50 daily chart. There is no lines here because I want you to show what exactly the price action is telling us the story of Nifty without any lines, without any bias or any other perspective, except what price is doing right now. Okay, so in my earlier video, I think almost on the starting of December, I said that there is a three drive pattern which is going on in Nifty, and this first drive, second drive. So most probably it will be making a third drive high, and from there, if it is possibility, and from there, if the trend line here, which I'll just show you later, when this will be breached, then we can have prices pulling down for the correction. As yes, there is a correction pending since a long time in Nifty. So first pullback will be almost till 26,000 to 25,800, and the other ones, the other deep ones will be I'll be covering in the next the detailed video. So for now, let me just unhide these lines. So as you see, the third drive peak is at 26,490 to 26,480. It's almost at the confluence of the parallel line which I have drew on a higher time frame, like on the daily and weekly one. It is just simply combining. It is just meeting this high to this high and then dragging it down here from the major line here, the major swing low here. Okay, so this is also confluencing on the third peak drive. Well, third peak is like 121 or 121% of the downside pullback. This is the theoretical calculation of a third drive. So the 121% and the parallel line, it is all both confluencing at to 26,490 to 480 range, almost 26,500 if we talk about the psychological the round figures, where most of the institutions and the retailers react many a times. So that is the first case. It is on the long term because right now we are at 26,328. So yes, we have upside almost 100 points going on. Okay, now if I come down to 15 minutes or mostly I'll come to the 1 hour first. So the red one here is the short term parallel lines here, and it is just from the starting points. So from that point of view also, we have upside levels of almost 26,350, 26,416, these levels up to the 26,480 to 500 range here for the upside one. Also the gift Nifty is trading high. If we talk about fundamental one, the war scenario of Venezuela and US, that is not going to impact that much, and you can you can check the blog which I have already written. I'll actually go to the website, and we have written the blog related to what can be the possible scenarios in terms of technical levels for gold, crude, and other things. So that is the case. So in a short term one, it is making the triple bottom here, almost a kind of a triple bottom, not exactly one, but that gives the scenario and that gives the bias of upside target. Again, the second point confluencing for the upside ones. So over and all, if I summarize every details here, it will be giving us the upper side target. So I will be looking mostly for the buys here. In case if the price on the open is going down and it's breaking the high which has closed here, which was 26,340, this line here, uh, this one, if it is breaking the high here and coming down, so it's good to wait for the last all-time highs. The last one, the earlier one, it was 26,281, and the recent and the fresh one was this. It is 26,325. So between this range, it's a no trade zone, because between this range it can either go up and go down based on um, the current scenario of the volume and liquidity and everything. Mostly it will be going up, testing the third peak 26,490 to 500, and then coming down. So any pullback till the level of 26,325 to 280, we have to wait for a bounce, for a rejection at this level for a buy if the price is breaking last sessions, at Friday sessions high, that is 26,340. So from there we have almost a good run of 150 points in Nifty. And if this price is breached, we have the second target of 26,560. Okay, so this is just a summary of what is going to happen in the next week in a Nifty. And if the price is breaking down of 26 to 80, this range, our downside targets or the selling side targets will be almost at 26 to 20 here, and then around 26 150. So these are the two sides which are for the downside one, and that also confluences at the higher time frame parallel one. So this is all about Nifty for this coming week for today. Right now it's a positive bias in GiftNifty also, so we can see the positive sides rally in Nifty also for this week almost. So that is all for the Nifty for this day. Thank you, and signing off from Absolute Analytics. This is Raksha.